the things we do is the eagle claw, the eagle talon. Another thing that we do is we pretend like we're a tree. So we pretend like we're a tree. What comes out of our feet? Roots. Anybody ever see Avatar? So you know that's the tree of life? So what I want you to do is you're going to breathe in, and you're going to imagine roots coming out of your feet, and I want you to start connecting the roots to other people here so that the kids can connect energetically to other kids in the classroom. Make sense? All right, so you're going to breathe in, and just eyes open or eyes closed, just visualize it, and you feel just roots just spreading out of your feet, and they're growing everywhere, and they're going into everyone, and your energy is energizing and waking up everybody else's energy. And just try that for 3 breaths. Try it with your eyes closed so you can see more of the energy. Breathe in, out. In, out. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.